I'm back. And I get to record the video on the same day. So I'm happy about that. I'm also happy that I took a loss because I needed it. I definitely needed it. I have been winning too much, and I was like, I need to take a loss. Like, I'm not going to force a loss, but I just need to take a loss. And it happened. Now I'm going to explain what I did wrong and what I learned from this mistake that I made. Because, I mean, I guess I was trying a new trading style today, and I just learned, hey, this just might not be for you. Just stick to your original trading style. But that's the whole point of why I'm on demo right now. Is because I'm still learning how to be a master at this. I'm still profitable on my demo. I'm up on it still, but I just want more practice before I start my funded. Anyways, let's get into it. So I am gonna start going off the weekly now. So on the weekly, we were bullish, and then on the daily, we were bullish, and then this morning we were looking bearish on the 4 hour because price is like right beneath it right here, and you have a low right here. So I was like, okay, we're looking bearish on the 4 hour, and same thing on the hourly. We were beneath this low, we were bearish. So we were bullish on the weekly and the daily, and we were bearish on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. So I couldn't decide what I wanted to do just yet, but that's okay. I wanted to collect more data before I made a decision. And then I marked out equilibrium on the 4 hour as well. I saw that we did not tap into discount price yet. So that was like one of the reasons why I was like, okay, I'm going to try going short today. And then I went to the 30-minute time frame, marked out Asian open, Asian swing highs, Asian swing lows, London open, London swing highs, London swing lows, and then New York session. And then I went to the 15-minute time frame. Now, here's where I fucked up. So we had a break of structure right here. We were starting a downtrend, okay? And then we broke structure again right here on this fair value gap. And we also disrespected this fair value gap. But then I marked out this breaker block right here. And at the same time, price was like right here. And we had high impact news come out at 10 p.m. or not 10 p.m. 10 a.m. Eastern. I keep saying p.m. 10 a.m. Eastern. And it came out bearish. So I was like, okay, so we have bearish news, and price was perfectly tapping into this breaker block. Now, what I've noticed when I backtest is when I use these breaker blocks, is especially a bearish one, like price like sometimes will perfectly just tap into it, and then it will just start a beautiful downtrend. So yeah, like it's kind of weird that I did enter off of news and a breaker block, because at the same time I was like, why did I do that? Because if you think about it, we are in an uptrend, because you could see we had the break structure right here. We were disrespecting this, and my entry was just based upon, okay, well, we just had bearish news come out, as well as prices perfectly tapping into this breaker block. So what I did is I set my stop loss right above this breaker block and right above these highs, and then my first take profit was on the London swing low. My second take profit was on the Asian swing low, and then my third was on the equilibrium line, and then my final take profit was on this low all the way down here. But as you can see, price disregarded that whole entire trade idea I had, but that's okay. I think what works best for me entering into trades is going off of breaker structure, fair value gaps, and breaker blocks and order blocks and equilibrium, all that stuff. I can apply it, but like where I find my most confluences is through breaker structure and fair value gap. So, I fucked up on this trade, but that's okay. I learned, if we're on an uptrend and we are disrespecting a bearish fair value gap, why are you going short off of bearish news and price perfectly hitting a breaker block? Like, it doesn't make any sense. So it's all right. It happens, but I'll come back tomorrow better and stronger. But anyways, guys, you guys have a good day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.